always want to teach up to your children because they're geniuses, and you also want to make sure that they're prepared when they get to kindergarten. Let's look at some ways you can do that at home. First, just counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice I have manipulatives here. They can touch. They can use their fingers. It's okay to do that. You can do it with Cheerios. You can do it with M&Ms. But you want to let them connect with the mathematics. Now, they can count. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice I'm putting the emphasis because I'm preparing them for this idea of counting by twos and even numbers. Okay? I can then look at, okay, we have 2 pieces of candy. 1 for you, 1 for Dad. What happens if we have 3 pieces of candy? Dad can get 1, you can get 1, and then we have 1 left over. That's odd. Okay? Even, and then we have 1 odd here where we have 3. Notice the language that I'm using of mathematics, the manipulatives, colors. There are many different intelligences. Some children are going to be very artsy, and the colors help. Now, we can then do 2 plus 1, 3. We can continue that concept of even and odd. All right? Now we have 4 pieces of candy. Okay? You can get 2. Dad can get 2. Okay? What happens when we have 5 pieces of candy? Okay? Now what we have here is you get 2, Dad gets 2, and there's 1 left over. That's odd. Again, notice the language, notice the emotion and the storytelling behind it, right? Storytelling sound behind it. Okay? So we're developing this pattern here of even and odd numbers, concepts that they can learn early. As you do this, you're also establishing the divisibility rule for 2. Okay? Numbers that end in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even. So with this, you're introducing addition. You can do subtraction. I have 5. Take away 1, 4 left. You're dealing with division. You can say, what happens if I have 2 2s? They can count that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 2s is equal to 4. Really push them. And now you do this. That's the same as 2 to the 2nd power is 4, because 2 squared equals 2 times 2. If you continuously repeat this, any of this, I don't care how old they are, if you work with your child on a regular basis, you will bring out the genius in them.